Hello, good evening, student.
Good evening, sir.
How was your day today?
It was good.
What about your school? It was boring, or how you feel? How you felt in school? Like, how was your day in school?
Mm, it was a very good day. I spent well. The day was spent well.
Wow, great. Okay, so like myself, Ishant, and I will be going to the maths tutor for you today. Okay, and okay,
Okay.
before going to the topic, like as you can see on the screen, the topic has been mentioned. Before going into that, let me ask you, how you feel about maths? Did you like maths or not?
No, I don't like maths.
Why it is so?
I'm scared of maths. I mean, the tables and the numbers doesn't go with me.
Okay. Then which subject do you like the most?
I like history and English.
Okay. Okay, fine. So like at the last, when I will finish this lecture, maybe I will make you make you understand the concept, what are the topic I am going to handle today. So after that, maybe you will start to enjoy the maths, like how you enjoy that, as you said, history, right? Will you be okay
Yes.
with that if you will start to enjoy maths? Is it?
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Okay, so let's start the topic. That is what, as you can see, can you read out what is the topic for today? As you can see on the screen.
It's linear equations in one variable.
Okay, so we will be understanding that. Okay, one by one. Okay, what is linear? What is the meaning of linear? What is the meaning of equations in one variable? Okay, one by one. Okay, fine.
Okay.
So let me here mention like in this topic, what are the terms will be coming into the picture, okay, which one by one as we move ahead, that you will be getting the clear picture about it, okay. So, okay,
Okay.
just a second. Okay, now here, okay. So you will be getting some terms like algebraic, okay, algebraic, okay, uh, algebraic, okay, R, okay, A-I-C, okay, algebraic. Actually, it is not. Okay, let me write with text. It will be correct. Okay, I will write with text, so it will come. Okay, so what are the terms will be coming throughout the lecture? Okay, so algebraic. Okay, algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic
Okay.
okay, then you'll be next you'll be coming to know about algebraic equations. Okay, then
Okay.
actually here, like when you are going to the algebraic expressions, you'll be like you'll be having the some terms like variable. Okay, variable.
Mm-hmm.
You will be
Mm-hmm.
having some like a constant. Okay, and you will be having
Mm-hmm.
some like terms. What is terms? Okay, then you will be having mathematical operators. Okay, what is that? Mathematical operators.
Operators.
Okay, so it will be like, mathematical operations, in that operators will be there, right? Mathematical operations, operators.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just a second. Operator. Okay, is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes.
here, like mathematical operation operators. So do you have any idea like what operators actually I am talking about in operations? You will be doing like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, right? In maths basics.
Correct. Yes.
So that is
Yes.
what we'll be having for addition plus, okay, for subtraction minus, like hyphen you can say, right? And then
Mm-hmm.
we having multiply,
Mm-hmm.
cross, and division, like one like horizontal line over to that two dots you'll be putting, one is above the,
Correct.
right? So
Yes.
that is what we
Yes.
call a mathematical operator. Okay, so we'll be coming to.
Okay.
So these are the terms. Once I will finish up with this lecture, we'll be coming to know about this. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
Okay, so let's
Yes.
into that. So in order to make this understand here, we have one character. Who is that? We have one character.
Character.
Mr. or you can say doctor. He is actually professor. You can say Dr. Bantu. Who is that? Dr. Okay.
Dr. Bantu.
Bantu. Who is that? You can
Bantu. Okay.
Yourself. Okay.
Dr. Bantu. Okay.
So you can see here. Okay, first let me raise that. It's coming here. Just a second. Just let me raise this. Okay, fine. Yeah, okay. So we have here one Professor Dr. Bantu. Okay. He is a math. Okay, he's a math professor. So what he will be doing? You can see here one lab. Right? He is in the lab and his table is there. So this lab, people used to call mad lab because he is very crazy. Okay, he will do some experiment crazy.
Okay.
And he don't know what is the result. Okay, and he will be keep on doing. Okay.
Okay.
That is what his lab called as mad lab, and he itself people used to call him mad person. Okay, mad scientist. Okay, mad professor. So today also, as usual, he used to do the experiment. He is going to do the experiment. Okay. So in that experiment, what he is going to do, as you can see on the table, can you tell me? You can see something on the table. 3 things. What is that? That vessels. You can say. Chemistry lab. Have you gone like chemistry lab?
Glass and beaker.
Yeah, very good.
No, I have not been to chemistry lab.
Okay. So when you go to your chemistry in your school, chemistry lab will be there. If you get a chance, you can go. There are different instruments will be there. Okay. So you can find out this also. So here you can see 3 vessels are there. Okay, you can say vessels. So 2 is that you have narrow that neck, right? You can see the narrow neck, right? Let me mark it. Okay.
Correct. Yes.
Okay. You can see this green, some color is there, liquid, and this. So this is narrow one. So you can say this is conical flask. That is what we call. And another is like beaker. Okay. So now here 2 conical flasks are there. One is having that green color chemical. Another one having orange color chemical. Okay. Now what he is going to do? The green color is 5 ml. What is the amount of that green color chemical? 5 ml. Okay. So what we are going to pour that green color chemical into the beaker, entire that green chemical. Okay. So how much amount that green color it is? 5 ml. You have to keep remember that how much amount.
5 ml. Okay.
Now
5 ml.
you can see here. Let me move to the next slide. So you can see here what he has done. Can you see it? That he has all the green chemical that is 5 ml into the beaker. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now what he is going to do, that orange color which you can see, he will be going to pouring that orange color chemical into that beaker only, where that already he has poured the green one, and he will be keep on pouring that orange color chemical until color will not change. Until color will not change. Okay. So means color change means he's doing some chemical reaction. Okay. So how we'll be knowing like chemical reaction is happening? So when something will happen, means in terms of maybe color change or maybe in terms of smell, okay. So like he will keep on mixing until some change is not happening. Once the change happen, means color change, you can say some reaction happen. Okay. So he will be keep on mixing that orange. So now let's see what will happen. Okay. Once like he's keep on mixing, keep on pouring that orange one. Now let's see what is happening once the reaction takes place. So now you can see here. Can you tell me what happened?
The color changed into purple.
Color change means some reaction takes place, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So he find out color change means now he has to stop to pour that orange color because color has changed means now he's stopping. So now you can see the green, that conical flask, that is empty because he has taken fully. But orange, if you see somewhat, it is there in the conical flask, right? Small amount it is there.
Yes.
No? You can see or not?
Yes.
So means how much amount that orange color he has mixed? Can you tell me? Do you have any idea? Or that
No.
Dr. Bantu knowing that how much amount he has mixed? Any idea?
No idea. No idea.
Yes, we don't know. He don't know how much amount orange color he has mixed. Yes or no?
Yes.
But what about green? It was known or not? What about green one?
Green 5 ml.
So green was known, right? So what actually happened here? Like
Yes.
green, like he has taken green, okay, plus, okay, let me take, okay, I can take the green color, okay, G, I will write with green, okay, okay. So green, okay, okay, green
Mm.
plus, okay, orange, yes, right,
Yes.
orange.
Mm.
So he has taken orange. So finally, what he find out equals to what he got? What he find out?
Purple.
Purple, or you
Purple.
can say violet. Okay, so okay, let me write with purple. Okay, so here he find out purple color. Okay, now you see that green. How much it was? It was 5, right?
5.
What
Yes.
about orange? It was known or unknown? It was not known. Yes or no?
Unknown.
So I can
Yes.
say this is suppose X. How much it is? Because we
X.
don't know, right? X
Mm.
amount or Y amount. Okay,
Mm.
how much amount we don't
Mm.
know. It is unknown. So it is X.
Mm.
I can say now it is 5 plus X equals to P. Yes or no? Yes
Mm.
or no?
Yes.
Now here P is known. Okay. So in math, now here you are coming to know about known and unknown. Okay. Known and unknown.
Mm. Mm.
What about
Unknown. Correct.
orange was changing? Now unknown and known you can compare in this way. Known means it is not changing. Like 5 ml, it was fixed. It was not changing. Yes or no? Green was
Mm.
not changing.
Yes.
Means it was fixed. Okay. So in
Correct.
mathematics, you can
Mm.
say it is nothing but constant. Fixed is nothing but fixed,
Constant.
constant. Okay. Similarly, here you have another one X. So now X was nothing but orange. So he was keep on mixing. So keep on mixing. He was keep on mixing that orange one. So orange was changing or not?
Mm.
Orange was changing.
Mm. Yes.
So I can
Yes.
say orange is changing means it is variable. In mathematical language, we call this as a variable. If it is changing means it is variable. Is it clear?
Mm.
Okay. So now you come to know about two things. What is that? One is
Correct.
constant. One is, what is that?
Other one is variable.
Variable. Okay. So constant and variable. Okay. So when we have constant and variable, okay, so that is what we called as algebraic expression. What is that called as?
Algebraic expression.
Okay. Now here you can see like we have find out some equals to purple color. So when we are using equals to P means purple here, we are using that operator equal sign. Okay. Whenever equal sign comes into the picture, so then it will this algebraic expression called as algebraic equation. Is it clear?
Mm. Yes.
Once again, repeat me that. If your equal sign is not coming because you don't know anything what is going to form, you're just mixing like green plus orange. You are mixing, you don't know what you are going to get. So green plus orange, when you are saying this two only, so that is called
Mm-hmm.
expression. Okay. Now,
Okay.
when you put
Okay.
the equal sign and you are getting purple color, then that entire that what you are getting that you can call as equation, algebraic equation. Is it clear?
Equation.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
We have seen the four things here. One is variable, one is constant, one is algebraic
Mm.
expression, and then algebraic equation. Is it clear?
Correct.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Good, very good. Now here
Yes,
one more
sir.
thing. One thing is term. What is that term? Right. See, you will be having in your school
Terms.
exams,
Yes.
right? Term one, term two, like that, right? So that same word I am saying.
Correct.
Now here you can see green plus orange equals to purple. Okay. So now here what you can see when you
Mm.
mix green plus orange, you'll be getting purple according to his experiment. And then he actually is trying to form the super glue. Okay. So here three terms
Mm.
are there. How
Mm.
many terms are there? How many
Three
terms?
terms.
How many terms?
Three terms.
Three terms.
Three
One is
terms.
green, one is orange, and one is purple. Is it clear?
Purple.
So
Yes.
that is what you can say in terms. Okay. Okay. Now, is it clear to you what is like a constant, what is variable? So I can go to the next.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let me move to the next slide. Okay, so let me check. It is on phone recording. Yes, fine. Okay, so now let me ask you one question. Okay, okay. Now here there's a one question for you. Can you read it? Okay, let me read and ask you. The amount of green chemical used is 5 ml, right or not? Yes or no? It was 5 ml.
Correct.
So this amount is like variable or constant? Yes.
Constant.
Yes, very good. So let me check the answer. So 5 ml, the green color was actually 5 ml, that is fixed. Fixed is nothing but constant. So green color will be the constant. Is it clear?
Correct. Yes.
Very good. Okay, now can you answer for this? The amount of orange chemical used is unknown. Means it is unknown. You don't know how much. So this amount will be what? Is
Yes.
it? Is a
Variable.
variable?
Variable.
Variable. Very good. So let's check for the answer. So your answer is correct. So very good. You are intelligent student. Okay, very brilliant student. Okay.
I should
Fine.
get a chocolate, right?
Yeah, definitely. At the end of session, I'll be giving the chocolates. Okay, but you don't have to eat too much of chocolates. Okay, it won't be good for teeth, right? Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. Okay, now let's come back. So here, can you write it now? Here you can see you have to write that in the boxes are there. Green is how much? Total amount of chemical used by Dr. Bentu will be what? Can you tell me now?
5 ml for green.
Okay, so let me write 5 ml for it was green. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, so let me take red. Okay, so here it is 5 ml. What about orange? It was how much I have taken? I don't know. So when you don't know how much you can take,
Yeah.
X or Y, whatever you want.
X.
So what is the total amount? 5 plus X. Yes or no?
X. Yes. Yes.
Total amount of chemical used by Dr. Bantu was, it was 5 plus X. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so let me move. So now here you can see 5 plus X. So this 5 plus X will called as algebraic expression. Is it clear?
Expression. Yes.
Okay, so let me move to the next. Okay, now there's a question for you. Okay, now you have to ask which of the following is not an algebraic expression. So you have to tell me. So you have to keep one thing in mind for algebraic expression. What is required? Known and unknown means constant should be there and variable should be there. Okay, is it clear? For algebraic,
Correct. Yes.
you should have variable as well as constant. So now just look at this 4 option and tell me which is not an algebraic expression. Can you tell me?
Which is not an algebraic expression.
Yes, yes.
Okay. 2 plus 3. A. Option A.
Will be the it will not be an algebraic expression. So can I lock it?
Expression.
Can I lock it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
To check the answer. So actually your answer is correct. Okay. So 2 plus 3 is not an algebraic expression. So here you can see why. Because correct. 2 is constant, right? 2 is one number. It is constant and 3 is also constant. So in this, whatever is given in the first option, that is all are constant. There is no variable. So that's why it is not called as an algebraic expression. But if you look at B option, you have 2x plus 3y. So here, how many unknowns are there? Can you tell me in the second option? See, x is there, x also unknown and y also unknown. Okay. So here 2 unknowns are there. Yeah. It's like 2 variables. It is how many variables in the second option? How many variables? 2 variables. One is x.
2 variables.
Okay.
Yes.
If you come to third option, C. So in that, how many variables? Only one variable, that is x, right?
One.
Yeah. And yes. What about D? One variable.
One
right?
variable.
X. Fine. So I think you got that somewhat clear picture about that variable and all algebraic expression. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So any doubt till so far? Any doubt? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
No.
So I should move to
No.
the next. Okay, fine. So, okay. Now, what Dr. Bento has done. So, when he has mixed the green and orange, so has find out that purple color and he put that in the big beaker which have the measurement. Okay, the beaker which has the measurement.
Measurement, yes.
Now you can see in the beaker it has marked. So, how much ml it is? Can you tell me in the beaker? The level is coming for the purple color?
20.
Okay.
20 ml.
20 ml, right? So the thing is, when he mixed that 5 ml of green and X amount of that orange, when he mixed together, how much amount he is getting purple color? 20 ml. Okay. So can I write
20 ml, yes.
pictorial representation? What I can write? I can write like this: 5 plus X. How much he is getting? How much
20
is getting?
ml. It's equal to 20.
Okay. Now here
20.
you can see. Now here you can see you are getting one equal sign. So this will called as algebraic equation. Is it clear? This will called as algebraic equation. Before, when you are not equal, it was called as algebraic expression.
Algebraic expression. Yes.
Then it will called as algebraic equation. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so let me move to the next slide. Okay. So now I have written already. Can you tell me now how much it will be coming? Let's write on the that box says green how much?
5.
5. Orange how
5.
much? X, right?
X.
And how much you are getting from that
Yes.
measurement? 20. Yes or no?
20. Yes.
Okay. So this will be called as algebraic equation. Okay. So you got the difference between algebraic expression and equation? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Algebraic expression won't have equal sign.
Yes. Good.
Yes.
Good. Fine. Okay. So let me move to the next slide. Okay. Now let's do some activity or some exercise. Okay. So here, what kind of you can see here one shape is there. What kind of shape is this? If you have any idea, you will see there are a lot of many shapes.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. You are very brilliant. Okay. So here you can see rectangle. So in rectangle, what will be? How many sides will be there?
4 sides. 2. 4 sides.
How many sides? Actually,
No,
4
2.
sides. So opposite sides will be equal, right? In rectangle, that is a property of rectangle.
Yes. 2 sides.
Here,
2 sides.
Two sides. One is length and one is breadth. But actually, 4 sides are there.
Yes.
Opposites are equal. So here, one is breadth and one is length. So length will be the larger one and breadth will be the smaller. So length is 4 here and breadth will be 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now here 12 centimeter square. You can see they have written. Okay, I marked with red. Okay. So this is called area. When you multiply length into breadth, that will give you the area of rectangle. So that is what they have written. So now you can see here 4 length and into 3. That is what they are writing. And 4 into 3, how much you'll be getting? 12. Right?
12. Yes.
Now here, this is equation or not? Because equal sign is there, right? Yes or no? Here equal sign is there?
Yes.
So this is equation. But if I will ask you, this is algebraic equation? Yes or no? What do you say? Yes or no?
No.
No. Why?
There is both are constant.
Both are constant. Very good. So there should be one variable. So here both are constant. So you cannot call this as algebraic equation. Okay. Now let's look at the next example.
Yes.
So let me erase this and go to the next example. Okay. Now can you see that? Length is 4. And breadth is how much? What is breadth? How much? B.
B. B.
So what will the area? 4 into B equals to 12. Okay. Now here you see.
Yes.
Now can you tell me this will be equation and definitely it is equation, but this will be algebraic equation or not?
Yes, it will.
Equation.
Yes.
Why?
Because here there is one constant and one variable.
Very good. So here we have one constant and one variable. So when you have one constant, one variable with equal sign, okay, so then you can call that as a algebraic equation. So 4b equals to 12. That is what they have written here. So this will be called as algebraic equation. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
I think are you enjoying this topic? Are you feeling
Yes,
interesting?
yes, yes.
This topic interesting or not?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So now we are feeling this topic is very interesting. Later you'll feel maths also. You'll feel in that way. Okay. Okay. Let me move to the next. So okay. Now we have one question. I have one question for you. So you have to answer for that. Which of the following is an algebraic equation? Now you have to identify. Tell me. What is the correct answer?
3x plus 5.
3x plus 5. No, which one will be the correct option? Like it is asking which of the following is an algebraic equation?
Okay. A.
A will be algebraic equation.
No. C.
C will be the algebraic expression. What about A and B?
No, they are not algebraic expressions.
Why?
Could be. Are you talking about algebraic equation or expression?
You can read the question here. Which of the following is an algebraic equation?
Yes, that's a C. C option.
Very good. C is correct option. But what about A and B? Why they are? See, there is a variable is there, right? In A option, X is there. B also variable is there. Constant is there. Then why you are not calling this as equation? I have given one third condition.
That's also expression. It has no equal to sign. It has that greater and smaller sign.
Yeah. So you have to keep one thing in mind when we are talking about algebraic equation or normally equation. You should have equal sign, not less than and greater. Okay. Is it clear? You should not have greater than, less than symbol. If you have greater than and less than that operator, that is called inequality. That is another topic in the maths. Okay, inequality. So for equation, you should have equal sign. Okay, and in order to have algebraic equation, you should have variable, constant, and equal sign. So that's why C is the correct option. So you can see here. So very good. I think I have to give more and more chocolates to you. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4 chocolates.
Yeah, keep on counting. You said you don't like math, but you are good in counting, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now can you tell me? Here, next question is which of the following is a linear equation in one variable? One variable means I told you, right? You will be having one variable. Maybe you will be having two variables. Okay. So the thing is,
yes,
you have to check
B
here.
option.
One variable should be only there.
No, not B. That is square. D. 2x plus 4
equals to 5x. Okay. Okay. Now the thing is, let me talk about A option. Okay. Your answer is, I will check it. It is correct or not. Let's come to the A. Okay. First check the answer. Okay. So you are absolutely right. Fourth option is correct.
6 chocolates.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You are counting. Okay. Okay. Fine. So now here first option is why it is not correct, because I asked for one variable and linear equation. Here you have to read carefully. Linear equation with one variable. So you should have one variable and it should be linear equation. Now one variable means only one.
Correct.
Like, no. So if you see A option here, X and Y, two variables are there. So this option not possible. Second option by, now here see second B option. Here the thing is you have only one variable, but if you look at the power of the variable, so what is the power? It is 2, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? What is the power of that variable? What is the variable?
That is square.
And the power of that X is 2. Okay. So the thing is, it is asking linear equation. So linear equation means, you know what? Whatever the number of variables, it may be 2 variables, maybe 1 variable that equation having. The power of that variable should be always 1. That is called linear equation.
Yes.
Okay. Here.
Yes.
If you look at like the first option in that, what is the x power in the first option? What is the x to the power? 1, right?
5.
No,
Huh?
5x in the
1.
5.
Which option?
What is the power of x?
5.
No. See here, 5x is there. So I am asking power of x. X to the power how much? It is 1. Something power.
1. Okay.
Same. Similarly here, what is the y power? 1. See here, what
1.
you are saying 5,
Yes.
na, that is called coefficient. That we called as coefficient, multiplier.
Okay.
Multiplier of x is 5, but I am
Okay.
asking power. Okay, so here power of x is 1 and y also 1. So when power is 1, we called as
Okay.
okay. If power is 2,
Okay.
we call as quadratic. What we call as quadratic.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Quantity. Okay.
we have quadratic equation, we have cubic equation. But here we are talking about linear equation. As our topic was linear equation, right? In one variable. That is what our topic, right?
Yes.
Here, second option
Yes.
is not possible because here one variable is there, but power is 2. So this is quadratic equation. So we are not talking about quadratic. We are talking about linear. So second option will not possible. Now C option. So C option, why it is not possible? It is one variable. It is like linear only because you have 2 variables here, x and y. Here you have how many variables in the third option?
Correct.
One is x and one is y. So that's why this option is not possible. But this is one variable, means linear equation. Third is also linear equation. Okay. So if I'll ask out of 4 options, what are the linear equation? If I'll ask what are the linear equation out of this? See, my question is like if I will ask what are the linear equation out of these 4. So what are the options will be correct?
2x plus 4.
2x plus 4, that is linear equation. What about C? C is linear equation or not?
It is a kind of it.
C is also linear equation. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You just see the variable power. Here variable is x and y. So x power is also 1 and y power also 1. Okay. So this is what? Linear equation. Okay. A option also linear equation. Okay. Because power is 1. Okay. So when we are talking about linear equation, check the power. And here, just a second. Okay. Yes. So I was talking about like a linear equation, right? So is it right? What is linear equation? And in that we are talking about one variable, 2 variable, right? So if you look at first option, it is how many variables in the first option? Tell me. 2. 2 variable. Very good. Okay, 2 variable. And this is linear or what? It is linear, right? Because you have to see the 2 variables. What is the power of that? So if it is 1, it's linear equation. If power is 2, okay, then it's called as quadratic equation. If power is 3, it is called as cubic equation. Okay? Okay. Okay. So this is linear equation. Second option, you can say that is quadratic equation. So that's why this option is not correct because it having one variable, but the power is 2. So it is not linear equation. Our question was linear equation is one variable. So that's why second option is not correct. And third is 2 variables are there. We are asking for one variable. So this is linear equation. Third option, 2 variables. And third option, fourth option is correct because here how many variables? Only one variable. And that one variable. So this is linear equation. Okay. Now, okay. Here, let me ask you one question. X to the power 2. Okay. X to the power 2. Let me check you have understood or not. And y to the power 3. Y to the power is 3. Okay, y to the power is 3 equals to 4. Now, can you tell me how many variables are there in this equation? 2 variables. And what kind of equation is this? Is it linear equation or is it quadratic equation or is it cubic equation? Quadratic. So, I am asking particular equation, linear or maybe quadratic or cubic. You have to look at power. Whatever the variables. Here you said cubic, cubic. But power is 2, then it should call quadratic equation, right? Power 2.
No, but y has the power of 3, no?
Yes, very good. So what you have, when you are getting multiple power in one equation, so you have to look at the power which having you have to look at the variable which having the maximum power, and that equation will become that kind of equation. Okay. So here, what is the
Correct.
maximum
Yes.
power? You have two variable. One is x, one is y. But here y power is 3. That is like maximum, right? Compared with
Yes.
x to the power.
Yes.
It will called as equation. Is it clear?
Yes.
So with the help of this question, you have learned two things. One is type of equation and one is how many variables. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, let me move to the next now. Okay. So next is, okay. Any doubt till so far?
No, sir.
Doubts? Okay, you are very brilliant.
No.
Okay, you are counting the number of chocolates, right? How many chocolates
Yes.
I have to
Yes.
give till so
Six.
far?
Six. Six.
Chocolates.
Six. Six.
Oh, your concentration power, memorizing power is very sharp. Then it will be easy for you, na maths. Like many formulas you have to mark up, right? Okay. 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 Next, now here, let's see what that math person is doing. So, to know the proper composition of the super glue, I need to find out the amount of the orange chemical used, right? We don't know the orange amount,
Yes.
right? How much he has used, right?
Yes.
So, proper amount of that composition of super glue, how much composition of green and orange, finally you are getting purple. So, in order to that, you have to find out what is the amount of orange. Okay. So, let's go to just a second. Okay. Now, this is what the equation you will get it, right? Yes or no? Like
Yes.
used as I have previously mentioned, we have done this also. So, green was X, right? And
Yes.
what about that? No, green was not X. Which one was X?
X was orange and 5 was green.
5 was that green. And what about this
Yes.
20?
Purple.
Purple. Okay. Now, here you have to look two sides. One is left hand side, one is right hand side. That orange and green you can call as LHS. What is that?
LHS.
Okay, left hand side and equal and right hand side, right? Now, as it is
Yes.
equal, so in between of left hand side and right hand side, what sign is coming? It is equal. What is the meaning of that?
Equal.
Whatever you have left side, the same you should have right hand side, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now you
Yes.
look at here, right hand side, how much is there? 20, right?
Yes.
Left hand side, what is that? X plus 5. Now here 5 is constant, but variable. Now can you tell me, like if in order to make both sides equal, what will be the X value? How will find out? What you will do? What is the X value? You have to make balance both sides. So now here 5 is remaining. Now how much I should take? What will be the number I should take? So if we add with 5, we will get 20. So what will be the X?
15. 15.
15. Very good. So 15 plus 5, I will get 20. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what will the amount of orange now here? Can you tell me?
15. 15.
15 how much? What is the unit? 15? How much we have
ml.
taken? ml. Very good. 15
15
ml.
ml.
So green is 5 ml and orange will be 15 ml, and finally if we mix that, we'll be getting 20 ml. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so let me move to the next. You are very brilliant. Okay, so some more questions will be coming for you. So you'll be getting more chocolates if you're giving the correct answer. So will you give the correct answer? Please don't give correct answer. Give at least so I can. I have to give less chocolates to you. Right? You keep on giving correct answers. I am feeling bad. Okay. Okay. Now next question for you. Okay. Now here we have to balance. Okay. Now what should be the value of X? Now see that we have weighing machine right here. You can see that, right? Weighing instrument. You can call this
Correct.
right? In markets, when you're going to vegetable market, you can find out like this. Like in the olden days, it was. Now it is like digital. Now weighing machine is digital, but previously. Now here, the thing is, both sides you have to make it balance. So here
Hmm.
you can see here like this 9 is right hand side. Just you consider like right hand side. Okay.
Correct.
And 5x minus 11 you can consider the left hand side. Okay. Left hand
Hmm.
side. Now the thing is that being this instrument should have to balance. Both sides should balance. Now
Hmm.
the thing is you have to find out the value of x. What should be the value of x that is variable? Okay, so what will the value of x? So both sides will be equal. Now you have option a is 2, b is 4, c is 6, and d is 8. So can you tell me what will be x value? You have you what you will just put first x equals to 2. So the thing is when you put x equals to 2, so 5x. So actually this x and 5 are in multiplication. So 5 into suppose 2 you will get 10. 10 minus 11, how much you'll get?
10 minus 11.
You will get minus 1. See, the thing is,
Yes, yes.
subtraction like small number minus large number in the separate topic. But here, as per now, you can remember if you subtract a small number from the large number, you will be getting minus sign. So, like suppose if I'm saying 11 minus 10, you will be getting 1. But if I'm saying 10 minus 11, you will be getting minus 1. Okay? Is it clear?
Correct.
Now here
Yes.
5x. So here it is in multiplying. So you just substitute each value and tell me what will the x value. You do one by one and tell me the answer. You have to make both balance. That pan is there, right? Being pan.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
So actually what it is saying like 5x, it is like this. I want to write like this. Balance means 5x minus 11 equals to 9. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
What should be the value? What should I keep in place of x? So I will get 9 when we solve this equation.
3. 3.
X equals to 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. Tell me.
3 is not there.
No,
2.
out of option you have to select, right? 4 options are there.
52. 1 minute.
Yes?
4. 1 minute. 4. Don't know. 8. 8.
Okay, 8. Okay. So let me check.
Yes.
So if your answer is wrong, your one chocolate is going to be minus. Okay. So can I log the answer?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So let me check the answer. So actually your answer is wrong. So what is correct answer?
Oh.
Go to next slide. So what is the correct answer?
Oh. 4. 4.
Now why not 8? You said 8. Now let's do. Let's put x equals to 2. So if I will put x equals to 2, how much I will get? See that 5. Okay, 5 x. It means 5x means 5 into x. Okay, so x equals to 2. I am substituting 5 into 2 minus 11. Okay, so now 5 into 2, how much? I'll be getting 10. 10 minus 11. How much I will get? See, small number minus big number. So you'll be getting minus 1. Okay. So I should get 9. I'm getting minus 1. So 2 is not possible. Yes or no? Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Now I will substitute x equals to 8. Let me substitute 8. Okay. So 5 into 8. 5 into 8 minus 11. Now 5 into 8 how much? 40.
40.
40 minus 11.
40
How much?
minus 11. No.
14 minus 11. My math is weak. Tell me.
10 minus 1 is 9.
So you will be getting 20.
9.
29. Yes or no? 29, right?
Yes.
But what you have to what you have to get? 9. Yes or no? 8 is not possible, right?
Yes.
Now just substitute 4. Let's substitute 4. Okay.
5
So
4
5 into 4, how much?
9. 5 4 20.
20 minus 11. How much?
20.
20 minus 11. How much?
9. 9. 9.
You are getting 9, right? So this is correct option or not?
Yes. Yes.
So what is the correct option?
4.
Okay. Is it clear? Or any doubt?
Yes, sir. No doubts.
Shall I move to the next?
Yes.
Okay, now another question for you. What is that? Can you read out?
Perimeter of a rectangle is 20 meter. If the length is, I can't read.
2 meter. Small m is meter. 2 meter
Okay.
more. Okay.
If the length is 2 meter, then the breadth, more than the breadth, find its length. Okay.
Now here, what is given? Can you tell me? First, what is given?
So,
See, whenever in maths,
perimeter
the
of
good thing.
rectangle is 20
Yes.
meter.
Yes. Okay. Let me first say this thing. Like when you are going to solve, like the good thing about maths, when you are solving the question, so there are few things which will be given in the question only. So when you are going to solve question, not even in math, even science also, when you are going to solve some problem, first you just find out what are the things has been given. Okay. Is it clear?
Okay.
So what is given? Perimeter
Yes.
is given, right? So let represent as P. So what is that perimeter? How much?
20.
20 meter. Okay. Then what is given?
If the length is 2 meter more than the breadth.
Okay. So what is length? Length is
2 meter more.
so how much length?
2
What is
meter.
length? Length is equals to how
2
much?
meter.
2 meter more than
2
breadth.
meter.
So breadth is there and 2 meter more. B plus 2. Yes or no?
Mm.
Is it? Did you understood? Length is what?
Yes.
Length is nothing but whatever breadth is there more than 2. So breadth plus 2 is nothing but length. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now let's come to the rectangle. This is rectangle, right? So let me draw rectangle. So do you know what is the perimeter of rectangle? What is perimeter? So see, perimeter is nothing but boundary. Perimeter is nothing but what is that? Boundary.
The entire rectangle, the boundaries, yes.
Boundary of the rectangle. Or if you are talking about cricket field, so boundary. Circle. Circle boundary. 2 pi r will be there. Circumference you say, right? So that is one. Here, can you tell me what is the total boundary length? I have drawn the triangle.
20.
That is 20. But here in terms of this ABCD. So can I say like that? Side AB. All the sides you have to add. That is the length of the
Yes, A
right?
plus B plus C plus D plus is equal to 20.
You have to say like this. AB is one side plus BC. Yes
DC.
or no? Plus
yes.
CD
plus
AD. Yes or no? That is what your boundary, right?
Yes.
That's what we called as perimeter. And that is how much? What is given?
20. 20.
Now let mark here length. So what will be length here? The bigger one will be the length. Okay, so DC is length.
Yes.
And AB will be also length, right?
AB is also length. Yes.
BC will be BC. BC will be width. Yes or no?
Width. Yes. Breadth.
AD
Yes.
will be also
breadth.
now here I have written the AB plus. So AB is what is AB? AB is length. What about BC?
Yes.
BC is breadth.
BC is breadth.
CD, what is CD?
Length.
And what about AD?
Breadth.
And that is equals to 20. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Now you have to solve this. Now see here L is coming 2 times. Here L is coming. It is 2L. How much? It is 2L. If you add, you will get L plus L is 2L. And B plus B, how much you'll get? 2B. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So here you'll be getting 2L plus 2B. Okay? Equals to 20. Okay? Now here, what is this? Now here, see the thing is, this is one linear equation. What you are getting 2L plus 2B equals to 20. This is linear equation or not? Here two variables are there.
Yes.
How many variables are there here in this equation? Two variables. What are those? Length and breadth.
2. Yes. Yes.
And power is 1. For both power is 1. So this is linear value, linear equation with two variables. Right or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
now
sir.
here the thing is, if you look at length is given. Now the thing is, when you are going to solve equation, how many equation you have? How many equations you have? Can you tell me?
Where?
Here, like we have find out now 2L plus 2. Only one equation we have, right?
Yes.
So the thing is, when you are going to solve equations now, so how many variables are there? Same number of equations should be. But here, what is it? You can see here only one equation, but you have two variables. So you cannot solve this equation. So what you have to do in this equation, you have to make only one variable. You have to make only one variable. So how it is possible?
One variable, yes.
How it is possible? Now you see, the length value is given. Length value is how much? L equals to how much?
2.
No,
2.
it's not 2. See it? L equals to how much?
No.
B plus 2.
B. Yeah, B
No.
plus 2.
Now what you do, here you have written this equation now. So equation which you have written, 2L plus 2. In place of L, what you can write? You can write as B plus 2. Now here one more thing, student, what you can do, see 2L and 2B, 2 you can take common. What you can do? Because both 2 are getting common, so I can take 2 common. Okay, I can take 2 common. So I can, like, 2 will come on common, so it will come as a bracket. So 2 will come out. So 2 in bracket, you will get L plus B equals to 20. Clear? This step is clear. Student, this step is clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now here, what is that? 2 is in multiply, so 2 will go that side, so it will go in divide.
Yes,
See,
yes.
when we are taking something from one side to another side, it will go in opposite. Multiply means divide. If it is in divide, go in multiply. So this 2 is in multiply, so it will go in divide. You will be getting L plus, and 20 divided by 2, how much you'll get? If you divide 20 by 2, how much you'll get? 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now you are getting L plus B equals to 10. Now L value, you know. What is the L value? Initially we have written length is nothing but more than 2 more than breadth. So in place of L, what we can write?
Yes.
In place of L here, what we can
4.
write? Not 4.
4.
No.
5.
What is length? No. What is the length? Initially we have written L equals to what? B plus 2. Yes or no?
B plus 2. Yes.
Here
Yes.
L we can replace with B plus 2. Yes or no? In place of L, we can write as B plus 2. Are you getting?
Yes.
No, not getting, I think. Yes. See here, we got L plus B equals to 10. Till up to here, everything is clear. L plus B equals to 10.
Yes.
Here, initially in the question itself, they have given what is length? Length is nothing but 2 more than breadth, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? L equals to what? B plus 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that is what I am doing. I got L plus B equals to 10. Now in place of L, I am just replacing that L with B plus 2. Because L value is nothing but B plus 2. Are you getting?
Correct. Yes.
B plus 2, and again here B is there equals to 10. So now here you can see here, I'm getting B, I'm getting 2 times. So I'll get 2B plus 2 equals to 10. Okay? 2B plus 10. Now here, what you can simplify this equation. This 2, if you take that side, it will become minus 2. So I will be getting 2B, and 2 will go that side, will become minus 2. So 10 minus 2, how much you get? You will be getting 8. Okay? So 2B equals to 8. How much you are getting? 2B equals to 8. So now again 2 is in multiply with B. So I will be getting like 2 will go in divide. So 8 by 2. How much I will be getting? 8 by 2. Okay.
8 by 2.
So how much you'll get 8 by 2? B equals to how much? 8 by 2 how much?
8 by 2 is
4. Yes or no?
4.
So
Yes.
B value you got. How much you got B? B is 4. So what is B?
4.
What is B?
4.
No, B is 4. But what is B actually? Breadth, right? Breadth of rectangle.
Breadth, yes.
But what they're asking in the question, you have to find out.
Length, breadth. No, if the length is 2, then the breadth. Length, yes.
Find its length. What do you have to find?
Length.
But we find out breadth. Now how to find length? Now you can see here. Initially they have given length is nothing but more than 2 than the breadth, right? So breadth, how much we got? Breadth is 4.
2.
And plus
4,
2 you have
4,
4 plus 2, how much? How much?
4 plus 2, 5, 6. 6.
So length is 6. Is it clear?
Yes.
So this is how you have to do this problem. You have to find the length. Everything is clear?
Okay.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No.
sir. What is out?
No doubt.
No doubts. Okay. So let me erase this and go to the next slide. Shall I move to the next slide?
Yes.
Okay. So how many chocolates do you have? I have to give?
7.
Seven.
7.
You said 6 and 1 minus 5, right?
Okay, still 6. Still 6.
No, you have the 6 chocolates and then one answer.
So
you said
6
not-
minus 1, 5. But this is again the answer I gave. So back to 6.
But this is what not the question. This was the general question. I will give 5 only. Okay. Okay. You should not eat more chocolates. Then you will say to me on this, sir, only chocolates. Okay. Okay. Can you try this now? This is the question. What should be in the left hand side? LHS means left hand side to balance the equation. Can you try this and tell me what value? What should you put x? You have 4 options. So if you give the correct answer for this, I'll give you the 2 chocolates. If you're wrong,
okay.
minus
2.
1. Okay.
Minus 2.
So x equals to how much?
Minus 2.
Is it? No, you are not getting. Here, see.
No, wait.
Here you can see question mark. Can you see the question mark here?
Yes.
Here, the thing is you don't have to find actually value of x. Sorry for that. Here you don't have to find value of x. What you have to do, you have to find the number which will come in place of question mark. And then what will be the, both sides it should become equal. Okay. It should become equal.
Okay.
So now the thing is what you do, just simplify both sides. So if you simplify right hand side, you just take 4 inside. So 4 into x, if you do, you'll get 4x. Okay. And then 4, what will you get next? See, this 4 is in multiply. When
Plus 1.
No, not plus 1. It is going to multiply because it is outside. See, bracket is there. So x multiply with both. So 4x, it will become 4x plus. Now this 4 will multiply with 1. Okay. So you will be getting.
The answer is 4 only.
So here you will be getting 4x plus 4. Where? Right hand side. Now let's check this side. 4x plus 6. Now the thing is here. See, right hand side 4x is there. Left hand side also 4x is coming. The thing is you have to get 4. Left hand side also. So here you have plus 6. Here what you have to put, you should get only 4. What you
minus 4, minus 2.
So if you put, what will be getting? 6 minus 2, 4. So what is the correct answer?
4.
4.
Minus 2.
Yeah. So let me check. Is it minus 2?
Yes.
Okay. So let me check. Okay. So your answer is correct. Very good. So how many chocolates?
Back to 6. Back to 6.
6 plus 2, right? 8. No, 5. 5 plus 2, 7, right? Okay, fine. So, any doubt till so far?
No doubt.
Okay, so let me move for the next. So, finally, we are at the end of the lecture. Okay. So finally, that Dr. Bantu has done it. He has invented super glue.
The super glue. Yes.
So that is actually he was doing experiment and he find out at the conclusion what he made that blue purple color. What is that? Super glue. Okay.
Glue. Yes. Okay. Yes.
Fine. So let's conclude the lecture. Okay. So let me recall what are the things you have learned. Okay, so first what we have seen, you can see here numberings. What are the things we have learned? So first what we have learned, you can see first we have learned
variable and constant.
Okay, then what we have learned? After that, algebraic expression.
Algebraic
like
expression.
Variable plus constant will be there, or maybe variable minus constant. Okay, so you will be having variable, will be having constant with arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiplication. So that is called expression. Then what you have seen, third number, algebraic equation.
Algebraic equation.
Okay, so equation means equal sign will come. Then finally we come for the linear equation in one variable, right? We have seen that, right? Yes or no? Then at the last, what we have seen, solving linear equation.
Solving linear equation.
By balancing left hand side, right hand side, and we have tried to find out the x value. Like that fan was there, weighing machine, both should get balanced. So what will the x value? So that we have seen. These are the things which we have seen in our today's topic. So till so far, any doubt you have? If you have, you can ask.
No, sir.
Okay. So we are just at the last. We are just going to finishing the lecture. Okay. So let me give the concluding remarks. So I really enjoy this lecture. Okay. So I have also might you have learned many things, right? And might you have started to enjoy the maths also after this lecture. Okay. So how you felt this lecture? Did you really enjoy, or it was boring for you?
Yes. No, it was good. It was interactive.
Yeah. So now what? Okay, we'll see. I think we will start to enjoy the maths as I said at the beginning. Okay. So, okay. Let's wind up the session. Okay. So, okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
See you in the next lecture. Waiting.
Okay.
And
my chocolates.
Chocolates, yeah. I will give it. Okay, I will give it. You'll be getting the chocolates. Okay, and I will be waiting. I will be eagerly waiting for that they will be coming for the next lecture. Okay. So okay. Bye.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Bye bye.
Don't get the fear from the maths.
Bye, sir.
Very beautiful subjects. Okay.
Okay.
So
bye bye.
End of the session. Or you have any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Doubts?
No doubts.
Okay.
No doubts.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye.